Good morning, students. How are you all? So, after an interval of time, again we are back with continue the further chapters of the novel of class 5 Mowgli. So, today in this video we will start the new chapter of Mowgli. Students, today we will start the chapter number 6, the end of Sher Khan. I hope you all remember the earlier chapters, what the story was going on. So I will continue with the further story. After the meeting at Council Rock, something began to hurt Mowgli inside him. What is this, Bagheera? Am I dying? No, little brother. These are only men's tears. Let them fall. So Mowgli sat and cried for the first time in his life. His heart was totally broken. Now I will go to men, but first I must say goodbye to my mother. Mother means Mother Wolf. Now I will go to men. He went to the cave where she lived with Father Wolf and cried on her coat, You will never forget me. Students, when Mowgli was going to the village, so before he leave the jungle, he want to give thanks to the Mother and Father Wolf. Please never forget me. Father Wolf rubbed his nose against Mowgli's face. Come soon, Mowgli. Your mother and I are very old. Yes, he said this and left the jungle. He left the jungle and walked many miles until he found a village far away. There was a woman in this village named Metsua. Many years earlier, a tiger took her boy to the jungle. So the village gave Mowgli a place with her and her husband. What the jungle has taken, the jungle has given back. Mowgli found men's ways strange. At bedtime, he slept in the long green grass. You can see the picture before leaving the jungle how Mowgli was crying. And when he met Mesua and her husband, Mowgli, there was a little change for Mowgli because he used to live in the jungle and now he has to behave like a man. He knew, however, that he must learn to talk as he learned all the tongue of animals. Because he was living in the jungle, so he was able to speak like the animals and make understand. But now, as he was living with the Mesua and her husband, he has to learn the men's language. One night, Grey Brother, one of the Mowgli's 4 wolf brothers, found him in the cool grass. Wake up, little brother. Mowgli was very happy to see him. Is everyone is well in jungle? But all the wolves were burnt with a red flower. We remember the days in the cave. Sher Khan has gone away for a time. However, we will be back again to kill you. When I come again, I will wait you in the bamboo. Let's talk over there. For 3 months, Mowgli stayed in the village learning how the man lived. The hardest thing he had to learn was how to wear man's clothes and what money was, because earlier he was living in the village and he was not knowing about these things. Sometimes little children made him angry because they laughed at him. The activity Mowgli did, the other used to laugh. One night they spoke of the tiger that took Mesua's son. It was a tiger with a bad leg. The village leader gave Mowgli the job of looking after a herd of cows and bulls. Day after day, Mowgli took them to eat on the green hillside, eat and drank from the stream at the bottom of it. He met Grey Brother many times to meet Sher Khan. One day, Grey Brother up with Akela and they had a news. I have heard Sher Khan tell his plan to a jackal. He will wait for you at a village gate this evening. He killed early this morning and drank water too. Akela, Grey Brother cut the herd into 2 groups. Grey Brother takes the cows to one end. Akela and I will take the bulls to the other. Students, they were making a plan. How to kill Sher Khan. Move quietly until you get there. They soon had the herd in 2 and moving fast. Some children saw all this and ran to tell the men of the village. Mowgli's plan was very simple. They soon heard. Mowgli jumped the back of the great bulls and gave the order. Akela, Grey brother, they have divided already. Some Mowgli plan was simple. He wanted to trap Sher Khan. The main purpose of Mowgli was to trap Sher Khan. He knew that after a meal and a full drink, the tiger would not be able to find. Soon everyone was in place. Akela howled and Herd rushed forward. Sher Khan, it's I, Mowgli. I am keeping my promise. Your skin will be that council wrong tonight. Students, if you remember, already Mowgli had made the promise to Mother Wolf that he will kill Sher Khan. Sher Khan woke up in shock and began to move slowly, looking for a way. There was none. The walls of the ravine were too high to climb, so he turned the face to the bull. Students, as you can see in the picture, how they are trying to kill Sher Khan. There was a noise like thunder and the old tiger disappeared under their feet. Soon it was over and Sher Khan lay dead. Mowgli was the killer of the beasts everyone feared. Because the plan was of Mowgli and the Mowgli was the one who killed Sher Khan, so others also start fearing with him. They get feared that the Mowgli was one who can kill the Sher Khan. So this was the summary of the chapter 6, how Mowgli with the help of his friends died or killed Sher Khan. So students, this was the end of chapter. I hope the chapter made you understand the end of Sher Khan, how it happened, what are the things which Mowgli had done. So now read the chapter with your deep concentration. In the next video, we will start the further story of Mowgli. Thank you.